Walker, your name, sir?
Christopher Walker.
Mr. Gaith, your name? So what are we doing here? If you plead guilty, you'd have 4 violations. As I said, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 93 days. Do you understand that? I can't hear you. Did you sign the advice of rights form here today and read it and understand it?
Yeah.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Technically, these could be counted as 2 different technical violations in count 1, but I'll count them as 1 since they've been incorporated. So the charge failed to submit the testing as ordered on September 10 and September 11 of 25. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to submit the testing on those days?
Yes.
As to count 2, you failed to attend IOP as scheduled September the 8th, 9, and 11. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to attend on those days?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
These are accepted. What's going on?
Mr. Walker came out with a case of pancreatitis. And he did email Ms. Waters on September 14th. She did reply on the 15th, letting him know that she had already issued the show cause.
Why did he wait until you said the 15th?
He emailed her on the 14th. She replied on the 15th.
Okay.
That's the same day that the
Why'd you wait 3 more days? If you couldn't appear for testing on September 10 because you had pancreatitis, why would you wait until the 14th?
he was bedridden, basically, Judge. He couldn't get around at all due to the severity of the condition.
Do you have the note from a doctor?
He did not go see a doctor.
Did not go see a doctor.
Had it.
You're a doctor now? You can diagnose your own medical condition as well as your name?
Goes for probation, Your Honor.
What is going on here? Can you tell me? He's saying he had pancreatitis and he speaks quite confidently, but he didn't go to a lawyer. I mean, to a doctor, rather.
Yes, I did ask him for proof of a medical, with not any real response after that. I do challenge that. What prompted the chemical test is Mr. Walker's girlfriend's mom, and stepdad came in. They were very alarmed, kind of gravely. I don't know if you know about Mr. Walker's history, or if you remember. I mean, he was intoxicated. Not the last time he was in court, excuse me, but the time before that, pretty high BAC. So what they basically indicated to me was he got off his sober link. He did very well on the sober link. I have to indicate he did very well as far as being timely and blowing zeros. But the moment he was off, he did resume drinking. They were gravely concerned. I went ahead and sent him for that chemical test. Doesn't show. I gave him that evening or the next day to show. Indicates this medical. I do know that his girlfriend's in the court today. She indicated to me that basically what he had advised her was that he wasn't going to go and that he was going to come up with an excuse to avoid the chemical testing. The girlfriend's mom has communicated with me. I think that they're all very, very concerned about his use. I've said this in court before. I think Mr. Walker has a bigger problem than what he's admitting to. No, I don't have any verification that he's laid up in bed. But when I have numerous people coming to me and indicating that he's had to leave IOP due to being intoxicated, he has been laid up on the floor. They've shown me pictures of him intoxicated in the house. I'm concerned for Mr. Walker. I'm very concerned. He didn't go for this test, skipped out on his treatment, and he skipped out on recovery. After a recovery coach, after I issued this violation, he missed yet another IOP session, and he missed a session with his recovery coach.
Oh,
So this violation is mostly in regards to my big concern about Mr. Walker.
does the girlfriend want to come up here and say something?
I would leave that up to her. I think she would. She comes up to the probation department often. If she chooses not to, then I'm gonna be concerned about what she reports to me in the future.
You want to come up here?
I've said what I said.
I'd like you to come up here, please. I really would. Nobody is out to hurt Mr. Walker. We're not out there.
Yeah, whatever.
Can you tell me your name?
Alexis Smith.
Did you hear everything Ms. Wilds reported that you and other family members had told her, family members of Mr. Walker?
Yes.
Did she correctly quote you? Do you want to ask her any questions, Mr. Gay?
Are those statements still true today?
Yes, I am very concerned for Christopher. I'm very concerned for him. He is just not doing what he's supposed to, and I am caring for our children because he's gonna make us homeless. We pay the rent, and I don't have income. We have another baby on the way that's due. Just under, I think.
That would make 4 children.
Pardon?
That would make 4 children in total.
The first is with a different relationship, but.
He has 2 with you and a third on the way. Yes? Yes? I wish I had more time. I'd make you go into sobriety court. I can't get you through the program. You've been on probation for 7 months already, 8 months. Young man, how do I put this? If you're going to have children, with it comes an awesome responsibility. It's an obligation that you chose to undertake. I don't know why I hear these kinds of things and hear about parents that don't see their children. I don't get it, never understood it, never will. I don't know why anybody would have a child if they don't think. It's an awesome responsibility that requires their full attention. Four kids, that's a lot of mouths to feed. It's a lot of mouths to feed. If I had 4 kids and I was making $20 an hour, I don't know how much you're making. How much do you make?
Was making almost 19, but I lost my job because
You didn't show up.
I'm an idiot.
$19 an hour is gonna get you a pizza every 7 months if you're living in low-cost housing with a beat-up car. And if you're gonna do this, you're gonna figure out you're gonna work 70 hours a week, because if you're making $19, you can't put clothes in those kids' bags.
You know, pretty good at it.
Not too good, doesn't sound like to me, especially if you give up your booze. What kind of alcohol do you drink?
Not good.
But he's currently under consideration for employment at 2 dealerships as a mechanic.
Technician, that's same thing, a little bit more complicated. I'm not just in charge of working on vehicles, I'm in charge of tires and all the stuff too. I'm trying to get it to.
No, you're not. You're not going to treatment. You're trying to pull one over our eyes. We're not stupid up here. That's a horrible word to use, stupid. But I get the feeling that, you know, a decent percent think we don't get past 4th grade, like 2nd semester of 4th grade, we were out. You think I was gonna buy this nonsense? Pancreatitis? You might have it because you're drinking like a sieve. I don't know what to do with you, but I'm going to make the best call that I see. Where's Woodhaven sending their prisoners now? Lisa, for the most part.
I believe they go downtown unless it's a real short day.
How often am I having them test now?
Your Honor, I'm gonna have to double check, Your Honor. I do believe we have them on a weekly basis. I'm gonna double check. Yes, he's calling Lavender on a weekly basis.
I was lying.
I would have to check and see if we switched. If he was lying and he's being honest, Your Honor, that would be my correction.
Took me out the sober link and I was lying.
We did reduce him, and now that he just indicated we took him off the sober link and you had ordered it, it could be reduced.
Once every 2 weeks?
Test once weekly until 9/1/25, then bi-weekly for 4 months, and then monthly thereafter. That was at the last violation.
I'm not gonna assess any costs. If I let everybody finish over here,
We have nothing to do with that.
and I want to point out before I go any further, obviously your girlfriend cares about you. This is a really brave thing for you to do. I know you don't.
Don't know what to do.
I know what to do. Sometimes I have to do things I don't have to do. I sent somebody to jail yesterday for 5 days and thought about it all night. You got to go to jail today, son. You're going for 6 days and you're going to be on a SoberLink device within 24 hours of your release from custody. You're going to test weekly until December 31 and then bi-weekly. So the minute you get out of jail, you need to go over and get a SoberLink device. You're going to test weekly until December 31, then bi-weekly, not assessing costs. How many months, when's this probation schedule?
For judgment hearing right now is January 20 of 26. Your Honor. He's got some.
Let's keep it there for now. You got to get your act together right now before it's too late.
I'm trying to.
You're going to die.
Well, now I'm gonna go to jail and it's just.
Well, that's too bad. You deserve to go to jail. You sat and lied to me. You didn't have to come and tell me this. Have a seat. I don't want to hear it. Good luck.
Thank you.
Daniel Kusick, Daniel Van Kusick, 25T646366, A, B, and C. Come on up here, sir.